Hi guys. Okay, I would like to show you real quick a swap that I am sending out to Kimberly Larry Sanderson, and she just received one of my swaps in the Groove Swap over at Coffee, Cake, and Crafting, which is a Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill Facebook group. And so now she and I are partners, one-on-one swap in Crafty Manipulators on Facebook. So I am using the Frank Garcia Prima Collection Strawberry Milkshake, and inside here is a card. And I'm not going to open this because I want this to be a surprise, even though, you know, she can see, but she won't see what's inside. I am sending the Nicole Silhouette SVG or Silhouette File Heart Box. And then here is the suitcase. And I have pictures of the suitcase posted on my Instagram. So this is all going out today. It is very, very early morning, and it had to go out. It has to go out today. Today's the last day, so it is done. All of the required goodies and a little bit of extra is in here, as you can see. So, okay, Kimberly, this is coming to you, girl. Thank you so much for swapping with me, and thank you for watching. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is what my mind came up with, and I hope my partner loves it as much as I enjoyed creating everything. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Be safe, and I hope to see some of your projects if you hashtag me. Okay, bye.